Hi everyone, I'm the Global Runner and today we are above the clouds. I'm at the summit of Haleakala on Maui in Hawaii. It's pretty crazy up here. We're over 10,000 feet, so there's not much air, and the idea is to run down into the crater and run along the crater, through the crater, and then come back out down the road down there. But the views are incredible, so I'm going to try and capture some of those. But really lucky and looking forward to coming down off this summit and dipping below 10,000 feet at some point. So here we go.
Haleakala means House of the Sun, and this is where Maui purportedly stood when he trapped the sun with strands of his hair and convinced it to move across the sky more slowly so that the days would be longer. Here we go, the first glimpse inside the crater. I'm actually quite excited to see this. There are paths for miles and miles. This is super cool. So the volcano is dormant but not inactive, but it hasn't erupted in about 400 years. And according to legend, this is where Maui's grandmother lived, so we'll have to keep an eye out for her.
So I had a bit of an altitude headache when I started, so I drank an absolute boat full of water. And I'm feeling a bit better now. I think we're probably down more like about 9,000 feet. Maybe it's mental, but anytime I get above 10,000 feet, there's some nice flowers there. Anytime I get above 10,000 feet, it seems to hit me just like a dull headache. But I tell you what, is this the craziest place in the world? Look at it, it's insane. That was a bit of sand I was running on there, but generally the path is really well trodden, very easy to see and quite firm. I don't have trail running shoes. I'm wearing the Saucony Speed, wanting to travel light. But yeah, they're fine on this. Like I want to run it, but this place is insane. It is like nowhere I've ever been. And there's the path I'm heading to. I quite like a nice defined path. every time I get my little action camera out, I think, how do I not film this in 360? Like, there is so much going on. I took a bit of a spill there. The camera and my elbow took the brunt of it. So I've got a scratched up camera body, but looking at it, the lenses, touch wood, seem okay. So I'm just gonna give myself a minute to shake this elbow off. I stepped on a rock and it just slid out from under me. But that's where I'm heading, down there, and then I think I cut back. So I just assessed the damage from the fall. Physically, I'll recover. My phone won't though. Stupidly, there's a back pocket in these, and I slipped backwards. Could have put it in the front pocket, chose not to. Slipped backwards. The phone must have, the screen must have like smashed onto a rock, and yeah, it's was still usable, but it's like a spider's web. Look at this. I guess that path up there is where I'm headed. I've done nothing but descend so far, and although I'm not going back to 10,000 feet, I've still got to climb to get back out of the crater.
So I'm in the very pit of the crater, and this is where I'm going to leave this episode. Next episode, we'll climb back out of the crater, which will be an adventure of its own. Don't forget to mash the like button, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one when we will climb out of this crater.